Hello everyone, this is Welawei, and today episode I am going to show you how to bake and to decorate its spooky gingerman cookies. It is of course for the coming Halloween. And if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Please click the bell to get you notified for my new upcoming videos. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Now let's start by combining the butter, brown sugar, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Beat it using an electric mixer until it's light and creamy. You can find the exact measurement and ingredients from the description below. Sieve the dry ingredients into the butter mixture, the flour, the cocoa powder, baking powder, and ground cinnamon. Mix it well until combined. Change my spatula into a spoon as the dough is getting harder. Continue mixing until they all come together. Transfer the dough into a baking paper and flatten lightly. Wrap up the dough and put it in the fridge for half an hour. Flatten the dough using a rolling pin until you get a thickness of ½ centimeter. Once again, you can find the exact measurement and ingredients from the description below. To get a smooth surface, place a baking paper on top and roll the pin again. Now we are ready to cut. Get your cookie cutter, place it on top of the dough, press, and shake it a bit. This will give you a cleaner cut later on. For the excess cut out, put them all together, flatten with a rolling pin, and cut out some more cookies. Put the cookies in a baking tray and bake them at 160 degrees centigrade preheated oven for 25 minutes. Once baked, let the cookies cool down. Now let's decorate the gingerman cookies. use a fondant for the eyes and the heart. Dab a bit of water to stick them on. And also using icing sugar for the mouth, the arms, and the leg. Fondant is also known as a sugar paste. It is usually used to cover a cake. For these cookies, I will be just using the icing sugar to decorate this cookie. And of course, a bit of fondant for the eyes. Next one, roll out and flatten a fondant. Cut out a cookie shape. Brush some water onto your cookies and place your cut out fondant. Using cocoa powder and a brush, brush it lightly over the fondant, mainly on all the indentation or the creases. If you are new to my channel, thanks for coming. Please like, share, and subscribe. And there you have it, our Gingerman mummies. Now let's decorate a Gingerman ghost. Cut out a fondant, place it on top of your cookie. Use the end of the rounded stick to make like a skirt. Don't forget the eyes. And there you have it, Gingerman ghost.